Hello, my name is Kate White, and this summer I have a very special offering for you with the Colorado School of Energy Studies. I've been invited to offer Working with Babies, which is the continuation of John Chitty's work and his little book, Working with Babies, and his annual seminar that he used to offer. And I'm combining not only what I've learned from John and his five-step protocol, but things I've learned from Ray Castellino and from my own clinical practice. I've worked for many years to understand working with babies, and I have a lot of skills that I'm going to be offering, as well as the beauty of John Chitty's deep understanding of babies, how they are the royalty of humanity, super sentient, super perceptive. So please come. It's going to be July 8th to the 12th in Boulder, Colorado, in person. And we are hoping to invite and have so many wonderful people attend. So I'll put the uh, how to contact the Colorado school and sign up. We are only taking 28 people, and go to the Colorado School's website, which is energyschool.com, and we look forward to seeing you there.